Hey there, this is Atifa Bazari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in last video I gave you a question in which you have to ask user the input and you have to return the factorial of that number. Okay, so let's see the solution of that video. Okay, so here we will write solution for.py. Okay, now here we will make a variable input, or we can make the variable number. Okay, here we will write int input, enter the number. Okay, so here we will get the number, and the number which will be initially in the string, this int function will convert that into a number. Okay, now we will make another variable output which will be equal to 1. Okay, now we will use while loop here. So while number is greater than equal to 1. Okay, now we will write output multiply equal to num. Okay, now we will write number plus equal to 1. Okay, it will add 1 every time. And now we will write print output. Enter the number. We have entered suppose 5. See, it isn't printing anything, right? And our program is also not getting terminated, right? As you can see here. So why is it doing this? Because as you can see here, we have written the condition while num is greater than equal to 1. So it will work until and unless my number is equal to 1. But here in this line, 1 is getting added to this number every time. So our number is getting more bigger. So that's why it is not getting equal to 1. Okay, that's why our program isn't getting terminated. So here we will write minus equal to suppose 5. Okay, see 120, and let's run this again, and here we will write 10. See 3628800, this is the output. Okay, so guys, I have already told you what's multiply equal to, minus equal to, plus equal to, divide equal to in my previous videos. If you haven't checked out that video, there's a bar on the top of the window, you can check out that video. Okay, so right, that's the solution. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.